And you can put this also double layer but different installation, but it's also very easy. And you can put close like this, and they will just connect it like together. Show you one more time. The post base and the post structure right to this. And once we already finished the post fixing, and the next step is for fixing the fence select. And we will have this select. And for example, for this post, we will use this another accessory material like this. Is also made by the aluminum alloy material. And the aluminum alloy material we will put it like this, and we will use the screw to create a hole right here, and you need to use the screw and fix the chute attached to the post. And once you attach to the post, and you can put the slat just right aside here. It's right aside here. And once you finish it, and you can have this. Okay, the slat a little different. Oh, it's a different slat. I forgot. Oh, no worries. And once you complete this, and we have another first like this, the little screws to fix all the sample product together. Once we done all of this, we will provide this post cap to just cover the top of the post like this one, and we will also have this flat cover to cover the screw hole. To cover the whole screw hole, so there will be no screw exposed outside. Because the screw is made by the stainless steel, we provide the best quality stainless steel screw for you. Even including these best quality accessories, but for the screw, they will have the chances to get rusted. To prevent and also slow down this processing, we will provide all the screw to prevent the dust and other air like the moist. So it can slow and prevent all the screw get rusted. It's very slow. And also once you finish all this, this is the full assembled fence sample. This is the fence, the full part design, which already assembled. This is the complete product. Will be like this. We can. This is just a small sample. We can make the fence. For the length is